I learned a lot about the world around me and problems in the world and what other people are going through. But I really did soul searching, I guess, and I found out a lot more about myself than I thought I would.
Because of all the things that we're learning about and all the moral and ethical and theological, you learn about your own beliefs and what you really hold true to yourself to believe in.
It's been amazing. The facilities are great and the people especially are amazing. It's only 2 weeks, yet some of them are basically my best friends now.